let's start with our next topic, starting a business. So what are the basic factors which we need to see before starting the business is, first of all, the businessman who starts the business is known as the entrepreneur. Who is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is basically the one who starts the business. Next, the process of setting up. The process of setting up one's own business is called as entrepreneurship, and the person who sets up the business is known as the entrepreneur. A business is a systematic, purposeful, and creative activity, basically, where you are applying some creative knowledge. What sort of business you can start? What is the needs of the customers which you need to basically give to the market? This is the creative idea. It is a creative activity where you are identifying the customer's need. What are the wants of the customer? What is the basic thing which the consumers are wanting it in the market? What is the new thing which you can provide to the market? Mobilizing resources and organizing production with a view to delivering the values to the customers. That is, you are giving some values to the customers, you are giving something to the market which is of their value or which is of their importance. That is known as business, right? So what is business? It is a systematic, purposeful, for the purpose you are doing it. It is a creative activity. You are applying your creative knowledge, what you can give to the market, identifying the needs of the customers, what they want, mobilizing the resources, basically using all those resources which will be useful to make the final product, and organizing production with a view to delivering value to the customers. Value to the customer, that is helpful for them, that is useful for the customers, that thing you are producing. Returns for the investors. The investors, who are the investors? Investors are the one who invest in our business, who invest in the startups, who invest in the business. So the basic purpose of the business should be to provide the returns for the business, to give the returns in the form of profits for the investors, and profits for the self in accordance with the risk and uncertainties. Now they are providing the returns to the investors. The businessman is also earning profit for themselves so as to take the risk. That is the risk they are taking. They are also earning the profits in the return, and the uncertainties which they have seen associated with the business. So what is business? Business is basically a systematic activity where you are applying your creative knowledge, you are bringing in innovations, you are delivering goods to the market which are of their use, and also you are creating a value for the customers, where you are providing the return to the investors who are investing in your business, you are providing the value to the customers, and you are earning sufficient profits for the risk you are taking in the business. So who is the entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is basically the one who is starting the business, the person who is starting the business. Entrepreneurship, a journey, an activity where we are starting our